In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save your new card details with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Claude AI. This is the quickest way to get to the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the results, look for the official Claude website. Before you click, make sure the link looks legitimate and the address bar shows a secure connection with a lock icon. That helps you avoid landing on a copycat page. Click the correct link to open Claude. On the sign-in screen, you'll see options to continue with Google or with email. Choose the method you normally use for this account. If you're using email, enter your credentials as you typically would. Keep your login details private and only enter them on the official site. Once you're signed in, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar. You'll see your user profile indicator there. This could be your initials or your display name. Click it to expand your account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where all your account preferences and billing details are managed. Inside Settings, you'll land on the General tab first. This is normal and just a starting point. Next, navigate to the Billing tab. If you don't see billing right away, check the tabs or sections along the side or top of the settings page. Different layouts can place it in slightly different spots. You're looking for the area that shows your current plan and payment details. On the billing page, find your current payment method. Right next to it, there's an Update button. Click Update to open the payment form. Here, carefully enter your new credit or debit card information. Double-check the card number, the expiration date, and the security code, and make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file. Small typos can cause the update to fail, so take a moment to review everything. When your details look correct, click Subscribe to save the changes. This button confirms and applies your new payment method to your subscription. Wait a few seconds for the confirmation. Once it processes, you should see the card information reflect the update, often shown by the last 4 digits of the new card. That's it. You've successfully changed your payment method in Claude AI. If you run into an error, recheck the card details and address, or try a different browser. Keeping your billing info current ensures uninterrupted access to your plan. Thanks for watching, and great job getting it done.